Introducing IAQ Pro's newest air mover, the Nova Centrifugal Air Mover. This air mover is made ideal for lifting carpet. It's made possible with this powerful 1300 CFM output of airflow. Additionally, its carpet clamp at the front of the unit ensures that the carpet of any thickness can be clamped to the blower, ensuring that lifting action can occur. Its 4 different sitting positions are designed to provide drying at various angles, made possible by specially placed rubber feet. This way you can target wet elevated positions such as walls and ceilings without any extra effort. Its design also allows for stacking up to 3 units high, making it easy to store and transport between jobs. This unit weighs only 13.5 kilos with a sturdy handle and uses only 2.7 amps on high, allowing for multiple units to be used on one circuit. Its roto-moulded polypropylene chassis means that it's resistant to fall damage and heavy wear and tear. The Nova Centrifugal Air Mover can also be used in tandem with the Midas or Apex Dehumidifiers to help dry an area. Using ducting can help speed this process with targeted drying to specific areas like void spaces. Come to our Agile website to buy yours today, or come into the showroom to have a look. We also rent these or similar air movers here at Agile Equipment, so feel free to inquire about our rentals. Thanks for watching.